Hello, welcome back to another cooking video. If you're new here, my name is Sabrin Osman. I post cooking videos and vlogs, so don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Today's recipe is simple and special because most of the ingredients are already in your home. If you don't have one ingredient, you can easily replace it with something similar and still get a delicious result. Let's start cooking. Today I'm making toasted sandwiches. I'm not sure what they're called, but they are so delicious. First, I prepared the filling. I had already fried the onions and tomatoes, so I just put them back into the pan. Then I added tuna and dania, spiced and cooked everything together for a few more minutes. Once it was well combined, the filling was ready. Next, I took out the oven tray and placed slices of brown bread on it. Then I spread the filling on the bread. Added tomato sauce and topped it with sliced cheese. After that, I placed another slice of bread on top. Added more filling and finished with another layer of cheese. When everything was ready, I put it into the oven. At the same time, I made another sandwich in the air fryer. I followed the same steps: bread, filling, and cheese. Then I placed it in the air fryer. When both were ready, they looked so delicious and tasted amazing. We really enjoyed today's meal. Thank you so much for watching today's cooking video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!